Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove red zigzag line from Word. So let's start the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here I'm on my Word application. So I'm going to show you two methods that you can use as per requirement. Okay, so in Word I have some content here. So there is a red zigzag line you can see yeah, at bottom at every word. So what you can do in first method, select the word, right click on it, and just click on ignore all. Okay, that same word or similar word zigzag line will be removed. Okay, so we have another word also and that have zigzag line, so you need to select every words and select ignore all, then same type of words will be removed automatically. Okay, so in this method you can remove one by one. Okay, like this. Okay, in second method what we can do, open your Word, go to the file, here go to the options. Under the option we need to go in this proofing option. Under the proofing you can come bottom, scroll down and come to the bottom, and here we can see the option called when correcting spelling and grammar in Word. Okay, so you need to uncheck that all. Okay, you need to uncheck that all checkbox and click OK. Now you can see that the red zigzag has been gone. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.